Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. My name is Denis and today we are going to be reviewing a new cryptocurrency exchange platform in Malaysia. Have you ever thought about what other cryptocurrency exchange that you can trade on? And if so, then this is the video for you. I've recently discovered a new exchange for cryptocurrencies. They are now starting to market their platform into Malaysia. So I thought that I would just sign up for this platform and might as well just make a video out of it. But before we get into this video, I would appreciate if you follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you're new around here, turn on the post notifications, hit that like button so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. That would tremendously help me out tremendously, whatever you want to put it. And with all of that being said guys, let's just move on into the video. So the cryptocurrency exchange platform that I'm talking about is Huobi. And if you want to pronounce it in Chinese, it's Huobi. And if you want to directly translate from Chinese to English, it's called Firecoin. It's kind of weird, but it's actually a really unique name if I were to say so myself. Now, Huobi is actually one of the leading global crypto exchange in the whole world. Global, whole world, makes sense. But for some reasons, it is just not as well known in Malaysia. So I thought that I would just make this video to help you guys out who are actually looking for other alternative platforms instead of just, Binance and a plain old Luno that I talk about on this channel. That's why I'm making this video, to maybe expand your vision on more cryptocurrency exchange platforms. First question, what does this app do or platform? It allows you to buy and trade cryptocurrencies on this app or platform. Second question, where was this company founded and where it is based in right now? Huobi is actually a Seychelles-based cryptocurrency exchange platform founded in China in the year of 2013, and it is now having their offices in Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, and even in the United States. Fun fact, it is also listed on the Hong Kong Stock Market Exchange in the year of 2018. Third question, who is the CEO of this company? The CEO of this company is named Leon Lee and is 37 years old this year. I don't know what you can do with this information, but I'm just tossing it out there. So if you guys want to, maybe date him or something like that, I wouldn't know and I wouldn't judge. So fourth question, is it regulated in Malaysia? Right now in its current state, Huobi is not regulated in Malaysia, just like Binance. Binance is actually one of the really famous platform for cryptocurrency exchanges among Malaysians, and it is also not regulated as well. According to this article from The Star, Binance has actually been listed on the red list by SC, which is Securities Commission Malaysia. And I believe that as Huobi gets more popular in Malaysia, they will in no time be on the red list as well. And in my information, from what I understand is, red list does not mean that Malaysian government would ban platforms like this. But in fact, they are just actually warning the users to use at their own risk. But most Malaysians that like to trade cryptocurrencies don't even give a damn about it. Like, a lot of people are actually using Binance instead of using Luno, which actually surprises me a lot. I myself prefer Luno way more because I'm in it for the long run. But since so many people are not giving a damn anyways, so Huobi would just be another extra option if you're looking to invest or trade cryptocurrencies. Fifth question on the list, is it safe? Is Huobi safe? Yes, thus far, because it offers two-factor authentication and emails with PGP encryption and also text messages. PGP is actually the standard encryption for emails, so since it is the standard one, I'm assuming that most people are using it, and it's because it is safe and it is really reputable, that's why most people are using it. So in my opinion, yes, it is safe. And if that doesn't convince you, over 98% of their users' assets are being stored into multi-sig cold wallet, which outputs are only limited to Huobi's hot wallet. A cold wallet is actually something like a pen drive or like a vape kind of stuff that you can store your cryptocurrency in without anyone touching it, and that there is no internet connection towards it. While a hot wallet, there is internet connection towards it, and that is where you use to send and receive cryptocurrencies. So enough of the company's background, let's just jump right into Huobi's app and let's sign up an account together, and I can bring you guys through all of this process, and I will update you guys a few days later after I get approved for my account. So right here on my phone, I just downloaded this app and I just turn it on, and it has a reminder and stuff like that. So obviously we're gonna have to go ahead and agree with this terms and condition. Okay, so welcome to Huobi Global. Get started. So right here, we're gonna have to put in our country. I'm not a robot. So right now, I guess we're gonna have to wait for the SMS code. But that was fast. And there you have it. We're into the platform. It was way quicker than I thought it would be. Okay guys, so it's been like 5 minutes. I've actually found a way to have to get myself verified. So I sent in my IC and my surname, my name, you know, the basic information of yourself if you're a human. So I've just sent in my information and it says it's in the middle of verifying, and there is actually 2 stages of verification. So right now I'm going through the first stage of verification, and I will update you guys after I complete the second stage of verification, and then, you know, let's proceed to jump into the whole platform, and I'll just bring you guys like an overview type of tour. So until then, I will see you. So after almost 1 day later, I finally successfully get to verify my account with Huobi. But when I was trying to verify my account, there was actually a small problem that occurred while I was actually verifying my account. Obviously, they need my name, they might need my IC number, and then they need the proof of my IC, right? So I just submitted all of my information and I got rejected 3 times. Because out of all of the platforms that I actually signed up and verify myself on, they're all not as troublesome as this platform because of the sequence of my name. And if I pull up the screenshot right here, you can actually see that my surname is Denis and the full name is Lee Chenjo. But my name is actually Denis Chenjo and my surname is Lee. So the problem here is that Huobi, I don't think they kind of recognize which one is your surname and which one is really your name. So I actually contacted the support team, and then he said that he would forward this matter to the management team. And so yeah, I guess that is just one small bummer, but I think that this platform definitely could do more things than what Luno can do. So I'm definitely gonna give this platform a try regardless. So I hope that this Huobi team could fix this name verification issue, and in the future, hopefully other users don't have to go through what I've went through. So apart from the first stage of ID verification, you can actually see it on my screen. There is an advanced verification. Now I didn't really go ahead and do the advanced verification. Let me tell you why. Advanced verification is available after ID verification. Advanced verification allows you to complete transactions with a value of over 2,000 CNY RMB per trade, or with an accumulative value of over 10,000 CNY RMB. So I don't plan to really put in that much of money and trade with Huobi because I already have quite an amount of money with Luno. So that would be my main platform, and this is the platform that I'll use it on the side. So I would not go ahead and verify on this second stage, which is the advanced verification level. But for those of you guys who want to verify on the advanced level, you'll actually have to use the PC version, which is on their website. So good luck to all of those who are trying to get the advanced verification with Huobi. So in the next episode of Huobi Review, I'm going to be bringing you guys along the whole entire app and, you know, roughly introduce you guys to its functions and features. It is quite a complicated app, if I were to be honest. It's not as simple as Luno. I've never seen Binance yet, so I can't really speak for Binance, but it's a lot more complicated than I thought. So I will try my best to clarify and explain tools that are actually available in Huobi. Apart from that, I will also talk about the pros and cons of using Huobi as well. And with all of that being said, if you have made it this far into this video, I would just like to say thank you for taking a little bit time out of your day just to watch my videos. And if you guys want me to review more platforms just like this one, then leave a comment down in the comment section below on which platform you want me to review. Binance review is coming up sooner or later. I know a lot of people have been requesting for that. And subscribe if you're new around here, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video like this. I can't really speak right now. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video like this one. With all of that being said, I'll see you in the next one.